Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 error code 0x80070021 step by step using simple methods that actually work. This error usually appears when you are trying to install updates, copy files, or run certain programs, and Windows tells you that a file is being used by another process. The good news is this problem is fixable without reinstalling Windows or losing any data, so follow along carefully. First, restart your computer. This might sound basic, but a lot of background services lock files and a clean reboot releases them immediately. After restarting, try the action again. If the error still appears, move on to the next step. Now press Windows R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Update, then right-click it and choose Stop. Also stop Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Once these services are stopped, open File Explorer and go to see Windows then Software Distribution. Delete all the files and folders inside this folder. Don't worry, Windows will recreate them automatically. Go back to the Services window and start all the services you stopped earlier. Restart your PC again, then check if the error is gone. If you still see the same error, let's check System Files. Search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scan now, then press Enter. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. This may take a few minutes. If corrupted files are found and repaired, restart your computer. If the issue continues, open Command Prompt as Administrator again, type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then press Enter. This command repairs the Windows image and fixes the power system issues. After it finishes, restart your PC once more. If the error appears during updates, make sure no third-party antivirus or backup software is blocking files. Temporarily disable it, try the update again, and re-enable it afterward. In most cases, one of these steps fixes the problem completely. That's it. Your Windows 11 error code should now be resolved. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe for more tech videos, and I will see you in the next video.